We're going to take a look at how to automatically add or create label files for each part of the nested sheets. So we have a few different options. We have one label that will show the nested sheet on the label, highlighting the part that is being cut. We also have two other labels that indicate the part on the sheet, giving the size, and an indication of what edges would need edge banding. So this video is going to cover on how to create those labels at the same time we are creating and saving the toolpaths. This is saved and done through the post processor. We will want to first go into Tools, Settings, click Setup Post Processor, and select the post processor that you are using for your machine. And if you are already set up for a drill bank or using the scripted files, you already have the options set to automatically create the labels. If this script option file is blank, just use the drop down box to select example all sheets. Then under the label template, we have the different label types that we are able to use. So for example, the label position 2 is going to give us the wider label showing just the part. So go ahead and close. Once we have this saved, I'm going to name it Demo 4. We already have 3 other demos there, so it's Demo 4 that we'll be looking for. And while that is going through the process of saving, I'm going to navigate out into our folders for the Demo 4, and we will start to see the files being populated. So we do get our one G-code file for each of the nested sheets, along with the image file that is shown in another video, but then we also get a labels folder. Inside of this labels folder are the labels, and you get one image file for each nested part.